with Brownlee's possible absence, I think on paper it's going to be a wide open race. Kung pag-uusapan sana yung sino yung magiging title favorites for the Commissioner's Cup, I'm sure hindi mawawala doon yung Ginebra, no? Sino yung maglalaban sa finals because andun nga si Justin Brownlee. But I think with the impending sanction against him, mahihirapan ang Ginebra, no? Unless makakuha sila ng import na kasing kalibre ni Brownlee, I think they will still be a contender, but iba kasi yung Brownlee when it comes to not just the skills but yung familiarization with the team, chemistry with the team. So I think malaking effect yun sa Ginebra, no? With Brownlee's possible absence, I think on paper it's going to be a wide open race, but let's see kung anong mga kalibre ng mga imports na parating.